Hello and good day. I greet to Dr. Shaifuddin. Today, we are excited to present our automated smart greenhouse system, a project designed to monitor and control key environmental factors like temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and rain detection. This system automates greenhouse management, ensuring plant thrive with minimal human intervention. Let me walk you through the main component of our system. First, we have the TMP36 temperature sensor that connected to analog pin and anode, which measure the temperature inside the greenhouse. Next is humidity sensor, simulated by a potentiometer connected to analog pin A1, which monitor the humidity level. And then, for soil health, we have the soil moisture sensor connected to analog pin A2, which check if the soil is too dry. The rain sensor simulated by potentiometer on analog pin A5 detect rainfall and activate a fail-safe system. Okay, next is for actuator, we have two actuator, which is ventilation motor connected to digital pin 8, which is control air circulation, and then we have water pump motor connected to digital pin 11, which water the plant when needed. And finally, we have buzzer and LED connected to pin 9 and 10 respectively, which provide audible and visual alert during rain detection. We will now show you how the system behaves under different conditions. I will pass it over to Nick Daniel, who will demonstrate the rain fail-safe feature.
Thank you, Rachel. Now, let's see how the system reacts to heavy rain. Here, we simulate rain using connected to analog pin A5. As I adjust the tilt sensor, you see the rain sensor value exceed the threshold of 50, which triggered a fail-safe mechanism. Watch carefully. The LED connected to pin 10 light up. The buzzer on pin 9 sound and alert with a 220 turn for 1 second. The van motor connected to pin 8 turn off to conserve energy. The water pump on pin 11 is also deactivated to prevent overwatering. Let's check the serial monitor now. As you can see here, that's where the heavy rain comes from. As you can see here, into the serial monitor, the rain detected, yes, the fail-safe activated, and both of the motor is off. This shows how the system pauses all operation during rain to protect plant and conserve resources. I now hand it over to Muzamil to demonstrate the system temperature and humidity control feature.
Thank you, Nick. Now, let's explore how the system handles temperature and humidity. First, let's stimulate a rise in temperature using the TMP connected to analog pin A0. As I increase the temperature above the threshold of 30 degrees Celsius, the system activates the van motor connected to pin 8. The motor helps lower the temperature by improving air circulation. On the serial monitor, you can see the message temperature in Celsius value and also van motor operation, which is currently on. Next, let's stimulate high humidity using the potentiometer connected to analog pin A1. When the humidity level exceeds 50%, the system activates the van motor again to improve airflow. The serial motor displays humidity in percent and the operation of van motor, which is on. Now, I reduce both temperature and humidity below their respective thresholds. You will see the van motor turn off automatically and the serial motor will show the operation of van motor is off. This demonstrates how the system maintains a balanced air environment for plant growth. I'll now pass it to Afiq, who will demonstrate the soil moisture control feature.
Thank you, Muzammil. Finally, let's look at how the system manages soil moisture. The soil moisture sensor is connected to an A2, which is this. It continuously checks the soil's dryness. Now, I will lower the soil moisture value below the threshold of 400. Now I'll be simulating dry soil. When this happens, the system activates the water pump on pin 11 to irrigate the plants. On the serial monitor, you will see the message soil moisture, which is 58, and the water motor is on. Next, as I increase the moisture value back above the threshold, the water pump turns off automatically, preventing overwatering. And the soil moisture value now is 489, and the message on the serial monitor is water motor off. This feature ensures plants receive the right amount of water, maintaining healthy soil conditions. Let's now check the system overall status on the serial monitor. It displays all the environmental data. The temperature, which is 24.78 degrees Celsius. The humidity, which is 39%. The soil moisture, 489. And the rain status is it is not raining in real time. With this, we've covered all key functionalities of our greenhouse system. Thank you.